It's not for the college review, but bro is sucked up today. So they say about it because no one says our college is good. So thank you and meet in our next vlog.
Next vlogs, upcoming vlogs, we give the reviews of colleges in Indore like Medicaps, Bansal.
No, we are not doing scientific aptitude and the exam is going very worst.
Very worst, very worst.
We depend your choices on Sudama. Sudama, where you want to go?
Left or right? Now circle chलते हैं और क्या?
Okay.
Well, we decided to break the loop. We're gonna go there.
We follow the stairs because now we are want to go up in our life.
Yes.
So this is our day, new day of new vlog on the same clothes. We depend your choices on Sudama. Sudama, where you want to go?
Left or right? Now circle चलते हैं और क्या?
Okay. Sudama chooses the shortest path in their life. And Sudama not now short. Oh, actually there's the Blinkit office also.
This is Blinkit office.
Yeah, the old office are there on the long buildings and this is the new Blinkit office.
Now I feel thirsty.
Actually it is shifted from here to there.
बहुत बड़ा है.
I will show you when I go to the near. Go
So the
near.
Blinkit store.
So this is the Blinkit office and the works are going too hard.
Here.
This is the highway. Sudama, please. This is the safe side. And I'm introducing myself.
Yes. Bro didn't even
Thank you,
choose.
this logo. This is a big kalank on my life because this is
IPS.
not good college.
What this college? What? Sudama, you gonna give them peace of mind?
This is the famous square of our city. This is the row circle, and when you go straight from this place, after 1 kilometer, the famous college named Medicaps, and if you go on this place, after 5 kilometers,
Worst college of our Indore is the IPS Academy.
Yes.
So you can't
take admission
in
here.
IPS Academy.
All are the famous colleges of Indore. Probably most of the famous colleges of Indore are lie in the 5 kilometer of radius.
We saw the faculty of our IPS Academy. So the faculties are highly educated, BSc, MSc, PhD. But even they cannot write a single
The
code.
faculty have only
They also
They only know how
can't
to
write a
knowledge
single
PPT.
code.
they have no skill how to teach.
Only show them PPT. They are good.
You want
They
to say
can't know
anything
how
about
to-
our college? Why are you roasting our college?
Bro is fed up.
Bro is sucked.
So at the time of 2022, we take admissions in college.
Actually, I say what is the reason today?
There is no
we-
placement
yeah.
in our college.
Actually, today we have an exam of scientific aptitude, and the exam is going very worst.
Very worst, very worst.
Very bad.
Brother is going to fail in
भाई
today's
मतलब
exam
जिसने
because
पेपर बनाया नहीं उसका पेपर ही नहीं आया.
yeah, actually the questions are not come from the syllabus.
सच में?
Yes,
Out of syllabus.
very bad.
Cartesian product. The
Bro,
Cartesian product is
Cartesian
not in the
pro-
syllabus.
Cartesian product, but
Arithmetic progression
that is
also.
a basic concept, bro.
But
not
after
in the
years,
syllabus.
we are not know the formula because we not recognize. And the
So the
question are come in the 4 marks.
our class faculty, he teach a basic probability.
And actually-
not in deep.
They strictly write calculator is not allowed.
Calculator
In the
is
name
not
of scientific
available.
aptitude, that teacher is teaching the plus minus and something.
That's actually teacher is teaching him on the low level and set the exam on the peak level. And bro is the example.
And the faculty was very poor.
Yeah. So this is bro. So this is the reason. Sudama bro is very frustrated today
Frustrated.
and do say some abusing words about our college. And this is civil engineer. They are
So at our
Well,
time,
we
we
smile
take,
because,
we take,
Well,
we
90%
take,
of our
we
work
take
is
admission in IPS college. It is good college, but there is no placements until we are coming fourth year of
this
college.
channel is for my personal blog, not our college review. Okay.
We are
Okay, we are
coming
not
of fourth year
covering
of
our college review.
There is no offline inter.
This is also all for the today vlog.
Score.
And
Full IPL.
actually,
We are
can I
score
can I
on trick booth.
can I tell my
Very serious discussion.
Yes. Actually, So the discussion is going on. So I will
forever.
I will shut my camera for today. And thank you for watching my vlogs. And this
We are and
the all the things that Sudama says
please
about
say
the
bye.
college is maybe correct or not all.
it is very good response
Okay, so
and
this is,
honest response.
this vlog is not for the college review, but bro is sucked up today. So they say about it because no one says our college is good. So thank you and meet in our next vlog.
Next vlogs, upcoming vlogs, we give the reviews of colleges in Indore like Medicapes, Bansal.
No, we are not doing it because I'm never revealing.
Sudama's kid
Yes,
is gonna
okay.
given.
भाई लोगों को पता चलना
Actually, I will share the link of Sudama's new YouTube channel in my next vlog, so you can see the review of the college on the Sudama's vlog. Like, okay, this is deal.
चाहिए.
Okay, Rice. Okay, so finally we are going. Thank you for today. And this is the famous Karnawat Bhajan Prasadi.
Let's end this.
Bye.